What's up, everyone? My name is D and you're now tuned into New Touch Auto. In this video, we're going to remove the tail light from this 2018 Mercedes GLC 300. Let's get right into it. We're going to first start off by opening your trunk hatch door. This panel here, you're going to remove this one using a plastic trim tool. Take your tool and pry in multiple areas to loosen up the clips behind the panel. Once you release the clips, you're going to pull the panel up and pull it out. You'll notice there are two clips behind the panel. This orange clip can sometimes get stuck. What you want to do is take your pry tool, locate it to the bottom side of the clip, and pry it away from the body of the vehicle. Now you can proceed to the inside of the vehicle. Take your pry tool and you're going to pry in 3 different areas. Take the bottom side and the 2 sides from left to right. Once you do so, you want to grab from the bottom and slide it in a downward position. Behind that panel, you'll notice that there are 3 8mm screws connecting the light to the body of the vehicle. There is also an electrical wiring here that we'll remove after disassembling the light. Once your screws are removed, you want to pry away the light starting from the bottom. Now behind here is that electrical wiring. You want to take your pry tool and there's a clip located here. You want to press down and pull away. You've successfully removed your driver's side. Now let's take a look at the passenger side, which is slightly different.